What's good, YouTube? I'm back. We here. It's lit. Right now, I'm on my way to go cop up some new jeans for my mans. I ain't gonna grab it this time, but y'all can see from the thumbnail. I'm a big supporter. So we gonna go check out what's going on. In fact, let me give him a call right now. Yeah, I'm on my way up there now. Alright. When I get up there, I'm just I think I do. I gotta check. I gotta double check. But when I get up there, I'll just call you. Alright, bet. Alright. So we on our way up there now.
Alright, so I think these don't really have no unboxing, but just gave him a free pair. Y'all gotta tap in, like.
Yeah, y'all really gotta tap in. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, y'all sleeping too much.
They sleeping too much, but we about to wake him up.
We gonna wake him up for sure. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know who y'all want to see on my YouTube. Let me know who you want to see me support. Things of that nature, I'm also giving out my promo code, so you guys gotta comment on this video. You gotta follow my Instagram. You have to follow 99 Brand, and I'm picking out one person in the comments to give away my promo code. So make sure you do all those things. I will be checking. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube. Make sure y'all follow 99 Brand. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram. Make sure y'all leave a comment on this video. Also, I just partnered up with Platinum X, so we got some big things coming your way. Stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all go follow that page. And yeah, I'm gonna try to drop every week, and I just need y'all to support me, and I'm gonna support y'all. Alright, so that time I'm gonna show y'all what I got from 99 Brand. A couple things she sent me. I'm gonna start off with the shirts. So first we got a orange striped shirt. I'm gonna open it up, see what it is, see what it looking like. So you got the stitching. It's real nice. Nice little quality. Let's see. It's so nice. So I got that, and I got this orange one in red, and then blue. Next, we got jeans. Let's call it the dirty jeans. Yeah, he's my favorite. Got the little wings, the skulls, and the 9. With the little pink. Yeah, he's my favorite. One of my favorites, I should say. Probably like the top 2, maybe top 2 for sure. Next we got, I ain't taking those colors. Heart jeans. With the little skull stitching in the back. These ones nice too. I like these. look at the details. Got the, I don't even know what these is, but yeah, these tough. Look at the little, yeah. Details in these joints crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna cat to it. These joints tough. I really like these joints. They give me like a, I forget what that brand was called, but back in the day, next, black tee. See what this joint looking like. Oh, the dice tee. That's what it is. The dice tee. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Snake eyes. I like this joint. Yeah, you gonna see me in this joint. Alright, what y'all want? Next, you gonna see the full zips. So we're gonna show you the red first. This joint is crazy. This is the first time she dropped the red one in a minute. Hell, this bitch is crazy. Full zip up. Yeah, this joint going crazy. Can't wait to wear this. And we got black. Black with the blue accents. This joint pretty. Yeah, this joint hurt. This joint hurt. So we got blue and black. This one. Yeah, you did your thing with this one. Next, you got a sweatsuit. Joker sweatsuit. On the side. I might wear this tonight. I'll keep it a D. Might switch the fit, wear this one. Yeah, this joint go hard. And the quality, like, it feels real good. This joint feels real good. I can't wait for this joint now. Now next, probably my favorite piece of this collection, yo. I've been waiting for a long time for this piece. Like, I think she, let me see, let me look at her page real quick. I think we got teased for this drum that she finally dropped it. Let me see. Yeah, it's finally her. Varsity jacket. So crazy. I already seen one person weird. I gotta outdo him. I gotta outdo him for sure. But that's all the pieces to the collection. No, actually, it's a mask that came too, but that's out in the car because you know COVID is still going around. I'll be wearing that joint. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all go follow her page at what is it? 99NTY brand BRAND on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow. Make sure y'all go like, support her. Check out her website and turn on your notification bell so y'all know when she dropping.